Okay, so for example 1, we're going to simplify the sine of x divided by the tangent of x. And to do that, I'm going to rewrite this as a division problem side by side instead of a division problem as a ratio. Sine of x divided by the tangent of x. And the tangent of x is simply sine of x divided by cosine of x. So let's rewrite this as the sine of x divided by the sine divided by the cosine. And whenever you divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal. So I'm going to rewrite this as the sine of x multiplied by the cosine over the sine. And to simplify it, I'm going to just put this over 1 because what I'm doing now is I'm multiplying two ratios or two fractions. Let's multiply the numerators together, and I'm going to have sine of x times the cosine of x. And in the denominator, I'm going to have 1 times the sine of x, or just sine of x. And as you can see, the sine of x in the numerator will cancel out the sine of x in the denominator, and I'm just left with the cosine of x divided by 1. So the sine of x divided by the tangent of x is really just the cosine of x. And I've simplified this ratio to the cosine of that angle measure.